Okay, so if you want to draw Tanjiro like this, then watch till the end. At first you have to draw this guideline. Then we have to draw another two lines for eyes and shoulder. Then erase those guidelines lightly. Make sure it was not fully removed. And now start with eyes. Then draw another guideline for right eye. Now draw guidelines for nose and mouth. Then draw guideline to draw ears. Then draw another guideline for his ears. And now we can draw the ears, and if you want to take time then you can pause the video. Now draw neck and shoulder according to guidelines. Now grab your ball pen and draw outlines. Now draw outline with brown color for shadow. Now shade the area layer wise. Make sure you are not shading with too much pressure. Now blend the color with skin color. Use black color for dark areas. Then grab your purple color and apply it. Use pencil for draw shadow in eyes. Now draw guideline for dark area in here. By the way, in this video I am using a Faber-Castell classic pencils. Thank you for watching the full video. I hope you all like it.